How to source products on AliExpress. Are you guys facing issues to source products on AliExpress website? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Chrome on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the Chrome, now search for AliExpress website. As soon as you enter the website, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, look at the top of your screen where you can see the search bar. Tap on it. After you click on it, write down the product name. Once you write down the product name, your products will be available on the screen. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to source the product on AliExpress website. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you guys have any issues regarding AliExpress, make sure to comment down below. Bye bye.